Hey everyone, and welcome. We're going to talk about AI today, but not in that big, complicated sci-fi movie kind of way. Nope. We're going to break down how you can use it right now to make your life easier, more productive, and honestly, just a little more awesome. Let's dive in. So you might be thinking, isn't AI for, programmers and people at Google? And look, I get it. It sounds super technical, but that's probably the biggest misconception out there, and we're about to totally blow it up. Because the truth is, AI is for you. It's for all of us. It's ready right this second to become your personal assistant, your brainstorm buddy, your problem solver. This isn't about what's coming in 10 years. It's about what you can do the second this explainer is over.
Okay, let's start with level 1. Think of this as the first step on a ladder. These are the quick wins, the simple, everyday things that'll have you wondering, how did I ever live without this?
It all starts with the camera in your pocket. You're walking in the woods and see a strange mushroom. Is it friend or foe? You see a cool chair in a cafe and want to find it online. Just snap a photo. AI can look at the picture and tell you exactly what it is. It's like having a universal "what's this" button for the world.
And it gets even more practical. I mean, check this out. Your faucet's dripping. Instead of frantically Googling and watching confusing videos, you can just take a picture of the problem, the AI can analyze it, and give you simple step-by-step instructions. It's basically like having a handyman on demand 24/7.
Now this is a total game changer. That daily, dreaded question, what's for dinner? Gone. Just open your fridge, take a quick picture of whatever's in there, the leftover chicken, that sad-looking broccoli, and the AI can whip up a full week of meal ideas, give you the recipes, and even create a shopping list for what you're missing. Seriously.
All right, let's climb up to the next rung on the ladder. We're moving past just making daily life easier. Now we're talking about turning AI into your secret weapon at work, a true partner in thinking. We all have those mornings, right? Where your brain is just a storm of things to do. Email Steve, finish the report, pick up milk, prep for the meeting. You can literally just speak that chaotic mess into your phone and AI will untangle it all into a clean, organized, and perfectly prioritized to-do list. It's just clarity instantly. Now here's a pro tip for getting amazing ideas from AI. It's a technique I like to call answers leveling. Don't just ask one question. Start really broad. Then ask it to get more specific. Then even more niche. And for the final step, ask it for the wild, out-of-the-box creative ideas. It's an incredible way to brainstorm and push past the obvious answers.
And can we talk about saving time? We are all drowning in information. Think about that huge 100-page report your boss sent you, or that hour-long meeting you missed. You can feed that document, or even a recording, to an AI and just say, "Give me the 5 most important takeaways." And boom, you just got hours of your life back.
AI is also an absolute master at wrangling data. You can give it a bunch of messy stuff. I'm talking handwritten notes, a video of a presentation, a few random text files, and it can pull out all the key info, mash it together, and spit it out as a perfect table, a chart, or whatever format you need. It turns pure chaos into perfect clarity.
Okay, climbing higher now. This next level is one of my favorites because it's where AI stops being just a tool and starts becoming a mentor. We're talking about revolutionizing the way you learn. Anything. Just think about that for a second. What if you had a personal tutor for any subject on Earth? A tutor that's infinitely patient, knows pretty much everything, and is ready to help you at 3 a.m. if that's when you're studying. Well, that's exactly what AI can be for you.
And this gets super practical, super fast. Stuck on a tough math problem? It'll give you a step-by-step breakdown. Studying for a big exam? You can tell it to create a custom quiz to test your knowledge. It can even generate clever memory aids or instantly turn all your messy study notes into a neat deck of digital flashcards.
You can even take this a massive step further. You can literally tell an AI, "I want to learn about ancient history," or "teach me the fundamentals of machine learning," and it can build an entire custom course for you, complete with a syllabus, reading materials, and practice exercises. It's personalized education on a scale we've just never seen before.
Okay, here we are, the top of the ladder. This is where the script flips. You go from just using AI tools to actually creating your own simple automations and solutions, even if you don't know a single line of code.
The big idea here is something called an AI agent. Don't let the name scare you. All it means is an AI that you can give a goal to. You don't tell it the steps, you just tell it the destination. You say, "Find me the best deals on flights to Italy for September." and it makes a plan and goes out and does the work for you.
So what does this actually look like? Well, it could be an agent that monitors your email for receipts and automatically updates your budget spreadsheet, or an agent that does hours of research for you and compiles a summary. You could even just describe the website you want for your small business, and an AI agent can literally build it for you. This is where you truly start to build your own personal army of automations.
So there you have it. We've gone all the way from just snapping a picture of a plant to building custom automations. The power is here, it's more accessible than ever, and it's waiting for you to use it. So the only real question left is, what's the first thing you're going to ask AI to do?